So and that's the thing about engineering it with quality, right? Because you could say that it's just not going to work. Like there's nothing we can do. But look, on the fly, we came up with two different ways. We can run it twice, like the whole thing twice, where the first one it's looking for the first two, and then on the second run it's looking for just the cache hit maybe. Or and so now you might be wondering like, okay, well, what happens if I have to automate something like this and I'm getting a miss because like how can you guarantee that's always going to be hit? So that's a good question, and it came up when we were working on this, and the answer is it depends on how often you run your tests, right? If you run them on a daily basis and based on the configuration of how long it's going to be cached, then if it's running daily, then you should always have a cache hit. But if it's like a test that's running once a month and your configuration is to like 2 weeks to be cached, then you're going to, if you do want to test the caching, you're going to have to like set it up to run twice, right? So you can either have it run 2 times, or you could set it up to say in here, get, so you get it, right? And then let's say you wait 1 second and then you get it again, then it should be registered as a cache hit. And then on the second time, you could so let's say you do it like this, right? If this is for to guarantee that you're going to get the cache hit, especially if you don't run that particular test often. So let's say you have this is the first one, and then you do these two assertions, and then you do it again right here. On that second hit, that should be a cache hit. You get what I'm saying? So and that's the thing about engineering it with quality, right? Because you could say that it's just not going to work. Like there's nothing we can do. But look, on the fly, we came up with two different ways. We can run it twice, like the whole thing twice, where the first one it's looking for the first two, and then on the second run it's looking for just the cache hit maybe. Or which would probably be a little bit faster is what we just said. So you would just put that in here, right? And that's why one of the themes that I have for all these videos is engineered to win, because we find solutions. We don't just all right, so and there we go. Like eventually it got, let me see where it got the hit. Yeah, so before yeah, I get so distracted sometimes. By I get so excited by these tests running that I'm like I'm in the middle of a sentence that says failed. Okay, what's going on? So what I was saying, like our theme is engineered to win because we find solutions. We never say that it's not possible. We say like we might say I'm gonna figure it out, and then we do figure it out, and then we implement it, and then we bring back the treasures to the team, so for the greater good. All right. So
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.